Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the physical basics. Use an Apple-certified Lightning cable and a known good USB port on your laptop. Once connected, unlock the iPhone so the system can negotiate a connection. When the Trust dialog appears, tap Trust. If no dialog shows, try another port or a powered USB hub. This rules out power or port issues quickly. Make sure the laptop stays awake and any USB power-saving settings are disabled so the handshake can complete. Next, focus on the software layer. Update your laptop's OS and Finder or iTunes so device support is current. Once updated, restart both devices and reconnect. A clean boot clears driver conflicts. On Windows, open Device Manager and reinstall or update the Apple mobile device USB driver if the phone shows as unknown. On Mac, check Finder's sidebar and enable Show for connected devices. These steps resolve most recognition problems because they refresh the If the phone still shows the laptop and cable icon, back up your data to iCloud immediately so you don't lose anything. Then try recovery mode or a DFU restore via Finder or iTunes. This forces a deeper handshake and reinstallation of iOS. If the device remains unrecognized or shows hardware error, make an appointment at an Apple store. Troubleshooting tip: if restores fail, try a different known good computer to isolate whether the issue is the phone or the original laptop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.